Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming new activities. All right, so today's do-it-yourself fun activity is called Fishbowl. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so for this fun do-it-yourself game, what you're gonna need is a few items. You're gonna need some ping pong balls, a bottle cap, disposable plastic cups, a vase or a plastic bucket, something of some sort. You're gonna need your launchers that we created. If you guys don't know how to create a launcher, I'll go ahead and drop a link below for you guys to check out the video to help create a launcher because you will need it for this activity. A table or a chair or something that keep the bucket or cups elevated. So stay tuned, we'll get to that in just a moment. All right, so here's the setup for this activity. You're gonna need your table or something to elevate your activity. We have a vase here. Again, if you guys don't have a vase, that's okay. You can substitute it for a bucket, just like this size. It doesn't matter, whatever you guys can get. Use your created launcher, and what you're gonna have to do is you are gonna have to catapult or launch your ping pong ball or bottle cap and make it land inside of the vase. For level 1, your job is just to make it inside the vase. Whoever makes it in the vase first wins. Okay, so that is level 1. We'll get to that in just a moment. Here we go. First person to make it inside of the vase wins. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, off the first shot, I almost had it in. Oh. We're going to do really well right now. Wrong game, Jordan. We're not going to stop it. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll drop a link below. If you are Team Garcia, make sure you drop a comment below. Cheer me on. If you are Team Jordan, cheer him on. Let him know that you... Oh, I almost got it.
I gotta win this challenge for my fans, for my team. Gotta win. Jordan always wins. I gotta win. Team Garcia, here to play today.
Whoa! That's right, Team Garcia. If you're on my team, that was for you. All right, so stay tuned and we're gonna move on to level 2. All right, so here we go. So we're on level 2 and what we have on the table now is just a bunch of cups. Now, Jordan and I are gonna have 1 minute to get as many balls to land inside of any of these cups, okay? Every cup is worth 1 point. So after the 1 minute, we're gonna see who wins round 2 with whoever has the most balls inside of the cup. Here we go, 1 minute of the clock, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Too hard. Stop. Oh, there's one. Oh, 1-1. Oh, Jordan has 2. Jordan, oh, it came out. Oh, Jordan has 2. Oh, I have 2 as well. Tied up right now. Oh, Jordan has 3. Oh, I'm kidding. And tie. So both Jordan and I got 3 points, or 3 cups each, so we're going to move on to level 3. So stay tuned for level 3. Alright, so now what we're going to have to do is whoever makes inside this vase or this fish bowl first wins the game. However, you can still accumulate points by making the inside cups. So let's say I make 2 cups, that's worth 2 points, and I make the vase. I get 5 points for the vase, I get a total of 7 points for this round, okay? Jordan makes 10 cups and no vase, and therefore he still gets those 10 points at the end of the round. Whoever has the most points at the end of the round wins. Whoever makes in the vase ends the game. 3, 2, 1, go. If it falls over, it still doesn't count. Well, really hope you enjoyed this game of Fishbowl. Please don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment.
drop a comment below. Let us know what you guys think about the activity. Did you guys enjoy using the launchers? What other activities have you guys used or have done that you created? So make sure you guys drop a comment below. So as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.